All right, let's get ready to get busy here. What up, y'all? Spyder D back in the lab, trying to work on this slow joint. I had to put it away for a minute. Oh man, who's beeping me? What's going on? Chuck these. All right, yo. So anyway, I've been working on this joint for a minute. I had to put it away. Trying to get back to it now. Still going through these problems, man, with Native Instruments and Apple and Avid, Pro Tools. It's killing me. They're killing me. Y'all killing me. Anyway, I'm getting ready to lay down some Fender Rhodes through my Native Instruments Maschine 2.0 on this ballad I've been working on. Y'all ready? All right. Let's see. What was those parts? Let's see, where was I? Okay. Yeah, something like that. Word up. I don't think I quite named this shit. I think it's the star of my show. That's what I'm working on. It may change. But anyway. Let me get into this, man. I gotta turn off the lights now. Time to get private. Peace out.